Hey guys, my name is Miriam and I am a registered dietitian. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a breakfast smoothie that gives you over 300% of your daily need for vitamin C. So vitamin C is really important because it's an essential nutrient. It helps your body create immune cells so that you can fight off infection. And it's also an antioxidant, so it protects those immune cells from damage. So in times that your immune system is compromised, it's really important to get more than enough vitamin C. So I have a cup of almond milk here. I have 2 scoops of protein powder, which is about 25 grams of protein. I also have 1 kiwi that I've already peeled, a cup of frozen strawberries, and kale. The first step is to combine the nut milk with the protein powder and blend that first. I like doing that because it makes your end product a little less clumpy. All right, so we're gonna add the nut milk and the protein powder. And now we're gonna add everything else. So I'm just gonna dump this in. Blend it up. All right, so you wanna make sure you blend it really well so that you're not left with any green kale-y chunks. And pour it into your mason jar. Look how beautiful and green it is. And enjoy. It can actually be really beneficial to get vitamin C from whole foods because you're also getting lots of other nutrients and antioxidants that support your immune system. The one thing to look out for though is how much fruit you're actually adding into your smoothie. While fruit is a healthy source of sugar, it's still a source of sugar. So when I'm building my smoothie, I make sure not to have more than 1 to 2 servings of fruit in there. And that's also the reason that I add protein powder. So protein powder doesn't reduce the overall amount of sugar in the smoothie, but it slows the rate at which your body absorbs it. So instead of your blood sugar going up like this, protein powder helps to slow the rate a little bit so that you feel a little bit more stable throughout the day. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me in my kitchen, and I'll see you guys soon. That's really good. So, I'm sorry, I need to start over.